This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Battery renewal. Raise the seat to its highest position, move the seat cushion as far forward as it will go, and tilt the seat backrest as far forward as possible. Undo the retaining bolts and lift out the battery clamp plate. Unclip the small cover over the negative battery terminal, followed by the main cover. Slacken the retaining nut, then with a twisting motion, pull the negative lead clamp from the battery negative terminal. Use a short length of rubber hose to insulate the battery terminal to prevent accidental reconnection. Slacken the nut, then using a twisting motion, pull the positive lead clamp from the battery terminal. Fold up the handles and lift the battery from place. Take care as it's heavy. Maneuver the battery into position in the tray, with the terminals at the rear. If necessary, clean any corrosion from the lead clamps using a wire brush, then press the positive lead clamp down onto the battery positive terminal and tighten the retaining nut securely. Remove the insulator, then press the negative lead clamp down over the battery negative terminal and tighten the retaining nut. Ensure any wiring is correctly routed. Apply a little petroleum jelly to the battery terminals and clamps to help prevent corrosion. Refit the main battery cover and the negative terminal cover. Refit the battery clamp plate and tighten the retaining bolts securely. Reposition the driver's seat.